In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your macOS. So if you want to open an app and it says you can't use this version of the application because the application requires macOS 14.0 or later, I'm going to show you how to upgrade macOS. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right here left above on the Apple, and then we're going to click on About this Mac. Then right here it says now MacBook Pro, this is the Mac you have. Here it says the version 11.2.3 and right here it says software update. So we're gonna click on software update. Then the macOS Sequoia 15.5 is right now available and we're going to click on upgrade now. The next step what we're going to do is to set up the installation of macOS Sequoia. Click on continue. So we're gonna click on continue. We're gonna click on agree. And then we're gonna click again on continue. We're gonna enter the password and we're going to click on unlock. Now it says ready to install. Your computer will restart automatically in 18 seconds. This update will take several minutes to complete and the screen will turn off for up to a minute. So I'm just gonna wait a second and then it will turn off complete and then the screen will also be turned off for 1 minute. It says right now closing applications and preparing to restart. And right here it says this update will take several minutes to complete and the screen will turn off for up to 1 minute. After long installation, it restarted and it says sign into your Apple account. So we're going to do it right now and we're going to enter our password. Now it says your Mac has been updated to macOS Sequoia. Future software updates will be automatically downloaded and installed. You can manage this in software update settings. We're going to click on continue and we're going to click on continue. And guys, it looks different. Then we're going to click on the Apple and we're going to click on about this Mac. And before it said macOS, I don't know if you can see, but before it said macOS 11.2.3, but now it says macOS Sequoia 15.5, guys. That's how you update your macOS on your MacBook Pro.